Hey, what's up, beat hackers? In this week's video, I want your help to put together an insane list of hip-hop songs that will flow perfectly together when played in sequence. So, here's how it works. Underneath this video is a Spotify list, and I've currently put 5 songs on this list. By the time you watch this video, there could be way more. But here's the deal. As DJs, we all have been in situations where you play 2 songs and they just go perfectly together, and you think, whoa, what an amazing combination. I'm now going to play that at every single gig I do moving forward. We all know exactly how that feels. But there's never an opportunity for you to get those ideas and inspirations off other DJs. But I'm thinking what I could do is use this channel to bring different DJs together and take their ideas, and everyone can list amazing tracks that flow perfectly together. So, in my last video I did EDM songs and it worked really well. Hundreds of DJs came forward and said these songs work perfectly, and I added them all to the EDM list. In this week's video, I want to do it with hip-hop songs. So I'm calling all the hip-hop heads out there. All the amazing tracks, you know, just flow perfectly together and just work, whether they're same BPM, whether they're same key, whether they've got the same kind of beat structure, whatever it is. If you guys know a sequence of songs that work perfectly, leave your suggestions below and I will add it to this list. And guys, what I also want you to do is save this list, save this link somewhere. It's like hip-hop songs, so you can come back to this video at a later date to dip in and get inspiration from other DJs. So guys, in a nutshell, as a community, I want us all to put together a sequence of amazing playlists for new DJs, experienced DJs, with lists of songs that all flow perfectly. We did EDM last week. This week we're going to do hip-hop. In future videos we're going to be doing trance, we're going to be doing drum and bass, and we're going to end up with a huge list of playlists that all flow perfectly. I hope that makes sense. I hope you agree with me that this is a good idea, and I hope you can kind of like get some ideas together and put them underneath. Now, any people who are regularly posting amazing ideas below, I will make you an admin of this playlist, even if we have a couple of admins. And I'd love to have this playlist updated regularly with awesome songs. The other thing I wanted to say is, once we've got this playlist up to 50 songs, I'm going to put together a little hip-hop playlist myself, and I'm going to do a little DJ set with all the songs in this playlist. And I'll be giving extra tutorials on how to mix hip-hop songs and all that kind of stuff as well. So guys, I'm not going to go on much longer. I hope you agree that this is a good idea. If you've got suggestions, leave them below. Go and try out other people's suggestions as well. Make comments, vote people's suggestions up, because the more likes comments get, the more likely they're going to be put on the list. And guys, next week we'll be doing a different playlist. So, I'll speak to you guys soon. That's the end of the video. Nothing more to say. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.